What are y'all doing out here today?
Well, we just unloaded the rest of the materials that are for the barn addition off of the trailer. Now we're gonna unload the Miller Bobcat 225 that didn't crank for the first time in, I might have misspoke
years?
the other day, 14 years.
14 years?
Yeah, I bought it before Clancy was born to build the cow pens up here off of my uncle, and it's cranked every time that I've ever wanted it to crank.
Except for this weekend.
For this weekend when I absolutely had to have it. So we're gonna take it and take it off the trailer. It needs.
Alright guys, it's like a beautiful morning. Need to get our other flag put back up. We had to take our American one down. Oh, our Texas one's getting tattered too. Y'all let me know in the comments if you know good flags that don't tatter so easily in the wind. Ours get pretty beat up by the wind out here. And they're always, I don't know, they probably don't last a month. Okay, so let's go see how much it rained. Look at those big tomatoes. I mean, they're not big yet, but I finally have big tomatoes. I've only had cherry tomatoes grow so far, but now I'm getting some of the large tomatoes. So maybe they'll turn into something. I'm gonna have to finally mow. These yellow tomatoes have been the best ones, though. They're so good. Can't remember what they're called. Sun Sweet or something like that. I'm gonna look at this again in case it was foggy a while ago. 2 inches, y'all. We got 2 inches of rain. 2 inches of rain. Let's go look. This is the garden that the boys planted. They planted this side. 7 dust is sitting here in the garden. There's no big tomatoes, but and this one is about gone from the grasshoppers, but still, we got to get all these yellow tomatoes off here today. But it's a beautiful morning. 2 inches of rain. Oh, a hummingbird. There's a hummingbird over here. I don't know if you can see him. Can't zoom on the GoPro. Oh, he's so cute. He flew away. Alright guys, well it's going to be a marvelous day. This one over here causing trouble already. Nala, what are you doing? Hey little goats. Good morning. Thelma and Louise right here. We got Poncho back there. Oh no, that's Thelma or Louise. Okay, so we got Thelma, Louise, and Poncho right here. One of these two is a Billy. The 2 little ones. And that's a Nanny over there. You want to be Thelma? The big one can be Thelma. The little one, Louise. Do y'all like those names? Y'all don't really care. Lefty, I see you over there. Good morning, Lefty. Good morning. Good morning, goats. Y'all hungry? Clancy will be here in just a minute. I think y'all still have some feed in there anyways. Yep, we got water. So y'all will be alright till you get there. The barn cats are being lazy over here. Oh, I scared them away. Then we've got Bigfoot right here. Good morning, Bigfoot. Good morning. Good morning, Bigfoot. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Lefty. Yeah, see, that's why you don't want to see me this morning, because my hair's crazy. I have on a hoodie because it's cold in our house. It's not cold outside, but it's cold in our house, so I don't like to sit there and be cold. Okay, hi. Hello. Hey, kitty. I guess you're just one of the kittens. I don't remember. Little kittens. Y'all aren't little anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna walk back to the house. So today Cody is gonna finish getting stuff for the laundromat because he is gotta install all the new equipment this weekend. He went to Temple yesterday to get some supplies, and then he's going to Colleen today to get some more supplies, some stuff that we didn't have in our town. And then he wanted to also like leave some supply in our town so that in case they need something Saturday while they're working, they won't have to go all the way to Temple or Waco or Colleen. So he's gonna go get all those supplies, and then tonight they're gonna start prep working up there, like getting all the plumbing and lines done. And then tomorrow on Saturday, all the help will show up and they'll get all the machines installed. I don't even know what machines we have, but I know he's fixing to come home and load them all up to take them up there so they can start prepping. I don't know if he accounted for the rain though, so I think he's gonna have to load them, and then I don't know if his tractor will fit or if he has to put his tractor on, come back and get his tractor, but we'll see. All right, we're gonna go check on Cody. They got back from cross country practice and they are loading up the dry cleaning stuff. How are you doing, Nala? All the boys that are going to go in the steer plane. Home base. Right.
Hello. From that box by my office is the shortest route, ain't it?
See, I'm good at more things than you think. I can hold a phone. He just unloaded the boards off that trailer out there. Now he's got to put this hitch on so he can move the trailer and get all the pipe off of it, metal off of it. What is this little thing you got?
What?
Hold on.
Push that over. Hold it. Kick it like a man.
My legs hurt, dude.
What is this thing we're putting on, huh?
Yeah, what's this little contraption?
This is just a little hitch that I built that you can pull a bumper pull trailer or a gooseneck. This spot holds your hay spikes that are on the ground behind you. Now you go in there when you're hauling hay.
What is this going to do?
Push up on it and then flip it over. And go down.
Pull that out.
I got the...
I hate pulling these things out. They're so annoying.
Put that sleeve in there. There you go. Tighten that up. Keep my knees out of the way a little bit.
Hey, this thing's just like the deal we put on the hay trailer. Or, I mean, on the corn trailer.
Kinda, yeah.
It's just like it. It does that little. I don't get how it works, though. How it tightens one and then keeps.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna spin it around so you can flip it back over.
All right. Well, it's because one end is reverse threaded so that when you turn
Oh,
it. Is that right?
it's gotta be like that, right?
Yeah, because otherwise it'd be taking one off and putting one on.
Uh huh. Here, baby.
Okay, let's go on that. Go ahead and open this shop door up on this side.
Oh, dirty.
Get that channel off there?
We're going to set the channel off over by the barn.
Alright.
What are y'all doing out here today?
Well, we just unloaded the rest of the materials that are for the barn addition off of the trailer. Now we're going to unload the Miller Bobcat 225 that didn't crank for the first time in, I might have misspoke the other day, 14 years.
14 years?
Yeah, I bought it before Clancy was born to build the cow pens up here off of my uncle, and it's cranked every time that I've ever wanted it to crank.
Except for this weekend.
For this weekend when I absolutely had to have it. So we're gonna take it and take it off the trailer. It needs a battery put on it, and it needs a fuel pump. We're gonna replace all the lines on it. So we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna haul it down. I'm gonna let my guy at the welding shop do that, just because I don't really have time to do it with what all we got going this weekend. So we're going to load our 4 new dry cleaning presses that's basically the blue jean station, a new blue jean station, in the back of our dump trailer, so that we don't have to strap them down.
Oh, that's smart.
And then we're gonna haul, my cousin and business partner is gonna come get the dump trailer and take it to town. Then I'm gonna load my tractor on the trailer after I stick the welder on the front of it, so that we can unload the equipment at the cleaners this afternoon. And then we're going to spend all day tomorrow redoing all the plumbing, the steam lines, the return line, the air lines to the new machines, so that we'll be ready to go.
Are y'all going to do any of that tonight? What are y'all doing tonight?
Tonight we're going to tear out all the old plumbing and all the old machines and set the new machines in the spot where they go, so that in the morning we can start right off the bat plumbing. Where did Clarence go to get the chain to get the welder out? So I'm going to... Go through that little hooker on the top with the little short side. Alright, that, no. Hook it to the side closest to you. That's good. Yeah, just kind of short. That's good. You don't have to move nothing.
You said hook it to the clock, this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I did.
You could have just pulled the chain on your right hand side and pushed it to the left. You got a whole bunch of chain laying on the ground, just push it towards the hook. That's good. Now then, you hold that. There we go.
What is it?
What?
What did he not do?
Well, yesterday I told him to unbolt the welder, which he did that from the trailer, but he did not remove the leads.
Yeah. Was that on the list?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it was on there. It was part of his to-do list. We'll get it overhauled and get it rolling again, and it'll be good as new and be back in action. So I don't know how old this machine is. I'm going to get my guy at the welding shop when he does all the repair work on it to give me an idea what year model it is, because I bought it from my uncle at least 14 years ago. I bought it before Clancy was born to build our cow pens out of, and it's been a really good machine. What kind of welder do you guys use? What's your favorite? Your old Miller, your old pipeliners? Let me know what you got. Y'all keep ranching, keep welding, keep living. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, listen, we're gonna set it on there.
Watch out for this tire.
Long ways like that.
You're like right on top of it.
Scoot it backwards, Mom.
I'll get around it. But we need to try to spin it around if we can. So yeah, we might have to set it down and here. I'm gonna back up and say, hey, listen. I'm gonna set it down and we'll do it the other way so that it's easy. I need to be able to get to the battery box on it. Actually, we can just not set it all the way to the front.
Move the ratchet strap. I got some hard jobs today. OCD kicking in.
We gotta move that pipe when we hook it up, set it on the trailer.
Three of them fit. We hoped all four would fit, but I think one will fit on the flatbed.
Maybe it will.
Maybe so.
Maybe.
What's that?
I missed it. I missed him. I had to push the trailer over a little, get it on there. The lights hooked up. Able to do it for you.
1, 2, 3. Is that about right? Good.
Move, Izzy. Come here, Izzy.
Trouble. 1, 2, 3. Everybody scrap.
Golly.
You're gonna hit the welder?
No? Now you're clear.
You're clear.
Adios, boys. Love you.